Hi everyone, and welcome to English Rhythm Lab. What would you say if you needed to explain a health problem in English? Maybe you're not feeling well, and you know what you want to say, but finding the right words quickly can still be difficult. You may need to explain where it hurts, say when a problem started, or ask about medicine and what to do next. And when you're already feeling unwell, you want those English sentences to come naturally. So today, we're going to practice 28 simple, useful sentences you can use at a doctor's office. From making an appointment and checking in, to describing your symptoms and asking important questions. The more you say these sentences out loud, the more familiar they'll feel when you need them in a real conversation. Here's how we'll practice. You'll hear each sentence 3 times. Say it out loud with me each time. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on speaking clearly and keeping a steady, natural rhythm. By the end, you'll have practiced 84 repetitions. Ready? Let's begin. Repeat after me. I'd like to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. Do you have any appointments available today? Do you have any appointments available today? Do you have any appointments available today? I have an appointment at 10:30. I have an appointment at 10:30. I have an appointment at 10:30. Nice start. Keep speaking clearly. I'm here to see Dr. Taylor. I'm here to see Dr. Taylor. I'm here to see Dr. Taylor. I haven't been feeling well lately. I haven't been feeling well lately. I haven't been feeling well lately. I've had a headache since yesterday. I've had a headache since yesterday. I've had a headache since yesterday. Good. Keep that natural rhythm going. I've had a cough for a few days. I've had a cough for a few days. I've had a cough for a few days. My throat is really sore. My throat is really sore. My throat is really sore. I feel a little dizzy. I feel a little dizzy. I feel a little dizzy. Nice work. Keep your voice relaxed. I've been feeling very tired lately. I've been feeling very tired lately. I've been feeling very tired lately. My lower back hurts. My lower back hurts. My lower back hurts. It hurts when I move my arm. It hurts when I move my arm. It hurts when I move my arm. You're doing well. Keep going. The pain started 2 days ago. The pain started 2 days ago. The pain started 2 days ago. It's getting a little worse. It's getting a little worse. It's getting a little worse. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. Good job. Keep that rhythm steady. I don't have a fever. I don't have a fever. I don't have a fever. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm not taking any medicine right now. I'm not taking any medicine right now. I'm not taking any medicine right now. Excellent. Keep speaking clearly. I take this medicine once a day. I take this medicine once a day. I take this medicine once a day. Do I need any tests? Do I need any tests? Do I need any tests? Is there anything I should avoid? Is there anything I should avoid? Is there anything I should avoid? Nice work. These are useful questions to know. How often should I take this medicine? How often should I take this medicine? How often should I take this medicine? Should I take it with food? Should I take it with food? Should I take it with food? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? Good. Say it with confidence. How long should I take it? How long should I take it? How long should I take it? When should I start feeling better? When should I start feeling better? When should I start feeling better? What should I do if it gets worse? What should I do if it gets worse? What should I do if it gets worse? Almost there. Keep speaking. When should I come back for a follow-up? When should I come back for a follow-up? When should I come back for a follow-up? Beautiful work today. You just practiced 28 useful sentences for a visit to the doctor's office. That's 84 repetitions of real spoken English. You practiced making an appointment, checking in, describing how you feel, talking about medicine, and asking what to do next. You don't need to remember every sentence perfectly. The goal is to make these sentences feel familiar, so they're easier to say when you need them in a real conversation. And every time you practice speaking out loud, you're building more confidence, better rhythm, and more natural English. Thanks for practicing with me today. If you enjoy learning English through real speaking practice, subscribe to English Rhythm Lab for more lessons like this. And tell me in the comments, what real-life situation would you like to practice next? I'll see you in the next lesson.